Fatality.
You could be over here embracing that love, more blessings, more life. God did. You either win with us or you watch us win. DJ Khaled.
They wanted to stop, ooh, but look at us now. They counted us out.
Time to say a
They
prayer.
didn't think that we would make it up. They didn't
We bow our heads.
Oh, but I know God did. Oh, yes, He did.
Cali. God is great. Nosedive, they just praying that I crash. But those guys, they don't want to see you last. That Jacob $3 million above your tax. A tub full of money, I still can't relax. Time spinning, Lord forgive me, I'm a sinner, conquer, divide. Wrong side of the petition, only divine winning. Better listen when I tell you how I put time in it. Please forgive me, God did. So leave me in the dark, swimming with the sharks. Dope boy, big calm, still the biggest boss. Got a kilo on the plate, send him on the freight. Or I could go and buy a bank, I know my money's safe.
They counted us out. They didn't think that we would make it up. They didn't believe in us. Oh, but I know God did. Oh, yes, He did. Oh, yes, God did.
Kigo.
Rebo.
We in the pain cave here, my brother.
Guys, remember, only we choose when we lose. So when we choose to lose, we do it properly.
Yeah, but I'm still not choosing to lose. Have you seen a phoenix? Chad, Google a phoenix. You're gonna see a phoenix rise out of the ashes, coming up stronger than ever before. That's what I hope.
That's what we hope, yeah. The serious question is, bro, on the average daily range, where's that for gold at the moment?
I know gold is pain train. That's why I've got a one piece in gold, because by the time I went into gold, US30 was dishing up a big slice of some humble pie.
There we go, Chris. It's all right, brother. Just follow with me. Breathe in. Breathe out. And just say, I am a good trader.
I am a good trader.
It will be okay.
It will be okay.
Maybe not today, but tomorrow.
I am not gay.
Chad, welcome back to Wall Street Sessions, baby. I hope you guys are locked and loaded, ready to go. It is going to be an eventful one. We got some guys who are already sitting through the most, and the rest of us are probably going to be getting into it very, very shortly. I hope it's not one of these days where I feel we need to do that brotherly love and go through drawdown together just to support each other.
I hope it's not one of those days where we start sending motivational quotes on the office group, and it's like, I'm stronger because of this. And, yeah, no.
Just always remember, rule number one in the trading, the traders 101.
Yeah.
The comeback is always stronger than the setback.
The Phoenix.
Here we go, bro.
Is there not a song, The Phoenix Rises? Let's see.
I'm sure there's something.
Let's.
There is a song I can think of with something about a phoenix, but I don't know if the song's called Phoenix.
The Phoenix
The
Rises song. Let's see if we can get a Phoenix song here. Let's see. Let's see. What is this?
What the hell?
This looks intense.
It looks like you're watching a movie. Woo! Yeah.
Okay, no, I don't think anything is rising with that. All right, we'll just.
All right, Chad. But we're gonna get the ball rolling. There's obviously a little bit of news that did come out. There is some news coming out. It is PMI day, so we're gonna hopefully have a bit of volume. I think in Chris's case, we're hoping that's gonna be the volume that's gonna turn things around there for him. Or it's gonna slice through him very, very quickly. But we're gonna see, Chad. Are we having salmon or are we having chicken tonight? We're gonna see in a little bit.
Kiggs, I think just for the haters, let them come close. Because this could be the day where I get sliced. So share the link with anyone you think that hates.
You know the problem is
Kribo.
they can't hate, bro, because they took the signal. So they're probably in the same train.
They cry in the shower tonight. It's like, bro, I can't even say anything.
Chad. But we're gonna open up with the prayer as always. We're gonna get the ball rolling, yeah. And it's been a while. My brother's been a little bit sidetracked. So Kribo, we're gonna throw over to you this morning, my brother, this afternoon. To open us up there with a beautiful prayer.
I'll do it with the pleasure, Chad. Let's bow our heads and let's get ready for the session. Father, we just come humbly before your throne this afternoon, and we just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for blessing us, giving us the opportunity to do what we love with the great community. Thank you for blessing us with the ability. Thank you for guiding us into all truth. And we just want to pray for each and every one in the chat, each and every one that engages with this community, everyone that has got high aspirations for themselves, be it business, be it family, whatever it is, Father. We just pray and we humbly want to invite you into the session. And I'll just pray for guidance on Kigo and myself here as we go about our business here today. And above all else, let us glorify your name. And I pray this and I ask this in the mighty name of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And if you believe it, Chad, you can drop an amen right now.
Amen.
Amen.
There we go, Chad. Drop an amen because we know where there's more than two, he is present and here with us.
Kicks the Phoenix coming through the ashes like flame, bruv.
Okay. But, Chad, we're going to get the ball rolling here. Yo, these guys try hard.
The flaming Phoenix.
We are going to start off with the fundamental chat, as always. And what can we see here, Chad? A lot of PMI, a lot of red folders. I'm not going to break down all that. That was the London session. I think you guys can go back on that if you want to. It's nothing that's going to really bother us, yeah? But just before stream started, 2:30, we had unemployment claims. This is obviously the first line. You had 217 come out, so a nice drop there on unemployment claims. So looking quite strong for the dollar. But going into the session, 15 minutes after market open, 3:45 PMI. That's going to be the main event. 4 o'clock home sales as well. Don't think home sales is going to be anything crazy, but we are going to be quite focused on PMI, manufacturing and services. So we'll keep a lookout for that closer to the time. But Chad, let's get into this. So starting off with the dollar. I said to you guys, we are bearish. But now, what was the next thing? We were going to be bearish, but having the idea that this thing can still turn around for a retest. And that is exactly what happened. We were bouncing. Said to you guys, remember, that's the whole idea. You'd never, ever marry a bias because you need to be prepared for what's happening. If I'm sitting here going, it's bearish, and I'm going to be like, I'm going to keep selling. This thing's going to sell. It's going to sell. It's going to sell. I can tell you that's the day this thing's going to just go one way, and you're going to get clapped. So on the 15, we can see that was that retest of that key area, the retest of the yearly support. This is now the difference for me. If we can break with the market open, get above here, dollar's going to try and make a comeback, and we're going to see what happens there. Otherwise, it can hold under that yearly support, hold under the EQ, and we're going to see this thing go all the way back down, as we can still see Asia lows remains untested, and see they move to the downside after breaking the weekly S2. So we'll just monitor that very nicely. Over to indices, starting off with NASDAQ. NASDAQ, guys, I am still going to take a bearish outlook. Reason I'm taking a bearish outlook, pure reason, we took all-time highs with a massive rejection. No driver volume, shows us we don't want to get involved there. We did close quite bearish underneath the monthly R1, There is a little bit of a top wick, but we could always still go back for that retest. That also would just line up with the retest of Asia lows, something like that, and then markets to continue all the way down to the EQ, where after that type of pullback we can see for a potential grabber kick. But I am more bearish on that side. US 30, again, same play. We just saw US 30, I want to say, has been a little bit stronger the last 2 days, 3 days. So in saying that, I'm still bearish, but what I mean by saying it's stronger, the moves are bigger. As you can see, we are still bearish, but this is already a more bearish day. We've had a lot more ground cover, a lot more pips taken on US 30. Monthly R1, the exact same thing. We are sitting here, for example, if you look at NASDAQ, we are trading to the EQ. US 30, we've already smashed right through that EQ now. Had the retest, we're going to start looking for that next grabber play, and then bang right through it. Like it's nobody's business there. The correction of this move to the top side. Now as long as you're underneath monthly, weekly R1, you're going to see same thing. If there's no retest, it's going to hold underneath here. See this thing drive, and that's where the make or break for me. Previous weekly high. If this can break underneath, hold underneath, we're just going to continue bearish, and this can be a trending day to the downside. But if it can get back above, I'm going to see this is my weekly fake out, and this thing can have a little bit of a pullback to the upside. Nothing crazy, but it could have some potential pullback. Then lastly, with gold, I said to you guys very nice this morning, we were bearish. We said we're going to keep a lookout for the neutral outlook if we got above the weekly R1. Why? Because if we got above it, we could have a retest of 3,400 from the downside. See if we could hold as resistance before we continue bearish. Otherwise, the plan, as long as we stayed underneath there, was the sells to this level of support. That's been absolutely hit beautifully for us this morning. There you guys are going to see the same play I was talking about with US 30. Previous weekly low, you don't want to be seeing fake outs. So there you guys can see we broke previous weekly low, driver volume, just had your retest, and there it started to melt away. Breaks Asia lows, retest of Asia lows, breaks underneath daily S1, retest daily S1, continues to break. This point in time, so Chad, what does that mean for us? If we are going to go bearish, this level of support, going to now hold this resistance, and we're going to continue bearish. But if we can get above here, that means we could see that potential pullback for gold. So we're just going to monitor, see what happens. If I go long, I don't know if I'm going to go all ideas to say, hey, Asia highs is on the table. Maybe in a longer scheme, but for now, it could be something just as short as going to Asia lows for a retest again, or even that previous weekly high. But Chad, that is everything for me. Cribbo, over to you, brother.
Ladies and gents, the notorious Kigo. Let's go. Keegs, that was incredible, dude. Really want to thank you for the ability you've shown, the finesse. All of the haters, if you are here, press 1 in the chat. Let's just see. Because I need the haters to feel this thing to go up. No, I'm kidding, Chad. Okay, 27 minutes. We've got PMI. And we already have our hands dirty today. And currently on the dollar, as mentioned this morning, the thing that was interesting for me was the fact that we took the previous daily low, failed to hold below. And that was potentially the first sign for a pullback. And currently pulling back, it is doing that. So now looking at the reverse side of it, let's quickly look here. Let's get these trend lines going. And let's quickly look at this. So Chad, remember I said the majority of the order flow has been bearish. The primary moves have been bearish. And I said we cannot get bullish unless we see something to the upside that's looking relatively aggressive. We got that. So now the big thing is what is going to happen on this retest on Asia high. So I'm going to say that area right there. That is a potential retest area. If we fail to hold this area, this is purely just a very aggressive pullback, getting everyone excited on the dollar, and this thing is just going to absolutely dump, and we're going to have another leg lower. Okay, so cannot deny, currently order flow is bullish. You can clearly see it, higher highs, higher lows. Bears are nowhere to be seen as of yet, and this is going to be the make or break for the bulls and the bears. Yo, That's Flameski. US 30 currently showing us flames, currently kicking us on our shins. Bullish for me on the day, as mentioned. We've got a bullish breakout here, and that is the area that we were looking at. Nothing here would have told me to sell. 100% not, even looking to my left. I just want to show you guys something. Even if I look to my left, that daily candle closed above these highs here. So nothing for me would have indicated sells, but it is selling. We cannot deny that it is selling. And even if we look at our point of control there, nice rejection, daily flip rejecting, coming to the downside. But what do we do? Hey, Stuyvesant Beertge in the house with a young Seattle Frana. Shot my brother. Compliments of Stuyvesant Beertge. Thank you so much. Cheers, cheers. Cheers, cheers, Keeks.
Cheers, my brother.
We put a little note on here. US 30 buy. Beautiful. Okay. US 30 buy. That could be a sign. All right, chat. So looking at it now, absolute catastrophic downward move. This is my average entry. So we've got an entry up there. We've got one here. And we've got one there. So this is currently my average. A young 3-piece. And the way it is looking, Chad, we literally reversed, almost reversed this entire move. And we are now effectively trading below that 200 EMA. So things are not looking good for the bulls. And there's a very, very high likelihood that I will get sliced here today. All right. So very, very high probability. That is the probability that we face every single day as traders. So you got to take it on head on. The only thing that can potentially give us a little bit of hope for a bounce is the fact we are trading quite far away from that point of control. That's where the majority of the volume was sitting this morning. And we can also see that we're very close to the average daily range and that daily structure level. So this is the last level for the bulls. If we fail this level, Chalkville, I don't know if, Keeks, have you heard of Chalkville?
Chalkville. Bro, it's not a very nice place for holidays.
No.
It gets a few visitors in there every time of year.
Yes, Chad. So this is the last frontier, the final frontier. This is where you start prepping those motivational quotes for the office group, for the trading group. This is where you get all of that stuff like, hey, Chris, go read this book. Chris, go read that book. What's that other book? Not Market Makers, Market Wizards, or I don't know. But yeah, this is the level that you need to pray for it to hold. Okay. Feel free to send me motivational stuff. I'm more than open to it. But yeah, Chad, that is. Let's say we've got a group of 3 prayer warriors holding that level for the bulls. I think that's relatively strong. But yeah, currently in Chalkville here, facing some drawdown, jumping over to NASDAQ. As mentioned today, I am still bullish overall, leaving NASDAQ on its own for the simple reason that we broke the previous daily high and then failed to continue higher. But there was that little retest, so if you were a little bit aggressive, you would have gotten in on those buys somewhere there. For me personally, I'm not touching NASDAQ here. Not touching it. I'm going to wait for the day. A potential setup is if we hold above here. Buys above there could be good. Buys above here could be good. Otherwise, if we reject there, we'll just go and retest the lows. Okay. Then gold. Chad. Only a young one piece in for me on gold. Gold currently going bearish. All right. So that is that retest area currently failing. We are bearish. This day is yet to close. So it could be a confirmed resistance. Trying a little bit of a pullback play here on gold earlier before I went into my meeting. Haven't added any positions here. What I will say is that if we go 2 standard deviations, I'll add another Mac Nugget there, get an average price of around about 33.50. But for now, just the one position. See if we can pull back a little bit into Asia lows. And make a little bit of a recovery. But yeah, Chad, those are Kigo. Those are the only positions for me, my brother.
Here's the deal, my brother. If you're one of the 21, I'll give you the cracker.
Third quadrant. I thought we were still in the second quadrant, yeah. Oh, US 30. No, Sam Jam, you're going to get a new account, my brother. So once your 5 minimum trading days are done, you're going to get a new account. And that new account will be your phase 2. And then once you get funded, the funded account remains the same.
Bro.
Talk to me.
Project G is coming to save you, bro.
What?
Never fear when the cracker is near.
Hey, Kigo. Let me see. Oh my goodness. But the cracker is looking... Does the cracker want to put me out of my misery or what? Alrighty. Kigo, what do you rate?
I'm not part of the 21, but I'm not part of the 1,000 either. I just need to review the lines there. Ay. But Chad, let's see. Are the boys ready? We've got 1 minute 30 seconds.
Alrighty, can that PMI come to the rescue? Was a bad PMI already priced in? Find out in the next episode.
I made it to number 1. Hey, the Phoenix inbound. Keegan, any feedback from XM? Really wanted to deposit. My brother, sorry, Chris and myself have literally been on the go the whole day. Yes, I'll only be able to chat with the boys a little later.
US 30, do it for the boys.
Dun.
Wait, is that my average? Yo, that is my average. 44,810.
Callum, just do me a thing so long, my brother. Just send me. I know you sent me a message already, but on the message, just send me. I think they're either gonna want your email that you
used to register.
Yeah, send me your email because I just gonna need that to find out what the reason was and what they can do for you.
US 30, Kigo.
I know you stayed number 1 already. Blue on account this morning and in long as on US 30. So yeah.
But I need to stand them already.
That is it, baby. Markets are open around 8. Ding, 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 ding. Fight. Let's see, Chad.
Alrighty, ladies and gents. Will the Phoenix rise?
This is Chris's heartbeat at the moment, guys.
Is this a story of a young man with a dream going against all odds? Everyone said it's bearish, and it is pretty bearish.
find out what's going to happen on the next episode of 2G's Trading. See you tomorrow, chat. Have a good one. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each
Peace and love, baby. Any good trading books I can read, Kigo?
Let's see. There is one I saw the other day, bro. How to Become a Millionaire from Trading from Your Cupboard. Great book. There's another one. Changing My Life in 90 Days. There's...
Wait, let me just do the disclaimer. Alrighty, ladies and gents, kindly note that these streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do suggest you consult with your financial advisor before making any financial decision, as trading carries a large amount of risk which may not be suitable to all investors. For that reason, kindly note that you should not follow a single thing we do on these streams, because you will absolutely 100% guaranteed lose money if you follow what we do here. And with that being said, we thank you for your cooperation on the matter, and you can go back to your viewing pleasure of the 2G's Trading stream with Kigo and Chris Marketable. Gigs, I shouldn't win this trade, bro, because my ego is going to get the better of me. I'm going to think I'm an absolute trading machine. I should lose this trade. But you know what? I'm not going to lose the trade. That is the unfortunate.
Let's not worry about the ego point, bro. I
Bro,
think we passed that a while ago after yesterday.
Bro, that is the unfortunate thing, is that I'm going to win this trade.
Hey.
That is that, bro.
Hey.
Chad, that is literally the unfortunate thing. Yeah. That is literally the unfortunate thing. This trade is literally just going to projectile to the upside, and it's just going to run. We're all going to be in amazement like, wow, look at this. How did he know? I don't even know. Jakes, the thing is, bruv, if it's gonna be a projectile, bro. When that PMI hits, it's gonna be a absolute projectile. Trump is gonna come out and say we haven't seen these PMIs in years. Phenomenal, incredible PMIs. Alright, market, you gotta do what you need to do. Just do it gently. My lot size was 10x what they should have been. That is never a good thing. No, I can't do the Trump voice. I've tried. I sound a little bit Russian. Little Boxberg Russian. Little mix there. Keeks, what are you gonna say if I win this trade?
Yo, bro.
I hope you're gonna say, Chris, I never doubted you. Well, the PMIs, what time? 10 minutes. This feels like a news event to me now. Being in 3 stacks here. Okay, US 30. I'm thinking of just getting out of this gold trade, bro. And who says train lines don't work, Kicks? Look at this.
What are you in now?
Bro, do you want to tell me train lines don't work? Look at that.
It's that third touch, bro.
Chad, you want to tell me trend lines don't work?
I
Trend
told you,
lines,
bro. It was just a retest.
No, that was really that was really the retest. Yeah, but this is the bad boy that's putting some stress on us, some hindrance. What does it say?
I'll let you change the stream now. I thought that green candle was an actual candle.
You almost got glad. It is gonna be that candle. It is gonna be just 5 more minutes. Sorry, 10 more minutes. This thing has got some anticipation behind it, Keegs.
Hey. Real. Chad, you know it's serious when we put it not the manifestation candles. Bro, I turned on your screen and I was like, whoa, what just happened?
You thought it's a real candle.
I was like, damn.
Okay, let's see. Keegs, if I win both these trades, can I have half the day off tomorrow?
We both technically have half the day off.
But I want then a full day off.
Okay, hold on.
Wait, I'm gonna
No,
put
no,
up
no,
a
no,
poll.
no,
I'm
no,
gonna
no.
put up a poll.
We need to be specific here. If you win, both as in they hit full TP. Not closing out profitable, hit TP.
I'm gonna tell you now if I'm gonna win this trade or not. I'm gonna tell you now. Let's see what the chat is saying. If all of you say no, I'm chalked. If all of you say no, I'm absolutely wrecked. I must double down on the sales. I've got 2 Zins in the upper decky right now. Whoa. Hey, Chad. Remember asking. That's what I'm saying. So that's what I'm saying. If all of you say no, I am absolutely wrecked. Oh, dollars at that area. Gigo. Cho. A young Zen in the upper decky. No, you can't edge this, my bro. This is way past edging. This is now at Indeed stage. Busy prepping your CV. Indeed. All right, job search. Let's see what is cooking in the job market. Now you can't edge anything here, bro. This is, you just hold on, my dude. You in a roller coaster now. You can't edge nothing here. Anything you can
You're
edge.
along for the ride now.
Anything you can edge is your airline. Oh, gold. Okay, gold is making. Here's the thing. I want to jump out of gold, but then gold could also be the savior if this thing starts to ramp down. Bonang's just at the bank. No, I mean, you can't really hurt my feelings. It was already hurt yesterday when only 21 of you guys used. You guys already crushed me there, so nothing you can say now can hurt me anymore. Me and Keegan were doing a group call last night on WhatsApp, and then both of us cried together in the shower.
Bros that cry together stay together, Chad.
Bro, this honestly feels like a news event to me.
Bro, this thing is...
Alrighty.
Bro, these keyboards are the most irritating things. They never work. What is that noise?
It's the alert on gold.
How's those trades looking there, Krabo?
Is it 2 minutes? Yeah, 2 minutes, Chad. Here we go. Gold. One minute. Sketchy trades again from Chris today, and will probably end up working. I don't know, Dane. I don't know. Shane, what is Ansi on about? Alright, Ansi. Hansi Kronier. We will see you in the next one, my brother. Okay, Kigo, 52 seconds. Dane, the streak could end here today, brother. The streak could end here today. But it was a good one. Or not. I don't know. Kigo. Whew. 25 seconds. Let's see. 15 seconds, bruh. I want to close gold. I'm closing gold. He doesn't want to close. Oh, yes, Steve, because obviously it's news. Nothing yet. It's not closing my gold. What did the PMIs come out? Bro, what was that? Oh, solid PMIs. Manufacturing dropping. Okay, a little bit of a mixed bag there. A little mixerino. A little Catalina wine mixer. Unfortunately, still in my gold. Still in my US 30. Alright. Time for the prophetic candle to do its job. I'm with you in gold. Ayo. I'm trying to close the gold trade, but it doesn't want
You're still not close.
to. Gold is running nicely now. $3,400. Oh, let me. Oh, that is where my TP is at. All right. Okay, we'll monitor gold. US
Cool.
30. Is there more data coming out? No, just new
it should
home
be it.
sales.
Yo, gold really is making a comeback for you, bro.
I'm in the blues, my brother.
Sheesh.
Blue City. I've been absolutely mutilating gold this week. It is pretty much a love-hate relationship, but training day followed by non-training, yes, it could be. But this is relatively strong bearish trend, though. I'm not going to say this is a non-trending day would look something more like this. That part of the price action, that for me is a non-trending day. Down, up, down, up, down, up. But this is relatively one way down here. So I'm gonna almost say the trend here is quite ugly. But let's see.
What now?
Bro, if this trade plays out, I'm not trading tomorrow. I'm honestly, I'm calling it a week, bro. If this trade plays out, I'm calling it a week. I'm not even streaming tomorrow. I'm calling it sick.
Chad, just so you guys know, Cracker basically just took a 20 pip TP, but we closed it out because it was still in play, and I said to the guys, we're not trading news, so we killed it before the news came out.
I can't believe what I'm watching here. Bro, nah, I don't know what to say.
Chad, this man's on a mission, yeah.
You've got the guys watching the stream. Yeah, Chris, eat some of that, and it's like, no. Why is it going up?
How's it going up?
How's this thing going up? He must lose. It's like, why cannot he lose? Hey, Chad, I don't know.
So gold's going nicely now.
Yeah, no, I just
Where's US 30?
It's very close to entry, bro.
Bro.
No, Keeks, I don't know, bro.
Chris needs to be inducted into the Hall of Fame of trading if this plays out.
Dane McKenzie is going to go home tonight and it's going to be like, yo, he's going to tell his friend, there's this guy, the sketchiest trades I've seen in my life, and somehow he's like a cat. He falls and you try and throw him on his back and he lands on his feet. This man is a cat. Chris, I still think about your wrestling tackies. Soldier, that is imprinted in my brain. I'll never forget that. I can still feel the pain of those little thorns in my small feet, and how my feet were swollen because I was too scared of wearing my wrestling shoes at a Baker's mini cricket day.
I was about to say, what are we on about?
You never heard that story? Yo, Keeks, where was Kigo? Chris, I'm 1%, 1.5 down with you in the US 30 buys. Hey, man. Chad, I'm gonna go break even on gold. It can come back for the retest, but at this stage, I don't want to have any additional risk here. Let's just get the main play for me was US 30 today. Gold was just a little side quest. So if we get US 30. Oh. What? Wait, what's that do? How much is it?
Cribbo. Looking smooth, Cribbo. If that USD makes a comeback. Then I don't know. I don't know what witchcraft this man's on.
Brian already said yesterday. I sent Brian that TP of the short.
Oh, yeah.
He's like, swipe right to see the luckiest trade in the world. Oh. They didn't believe in us, but God did. Hey, Chad. Hey, Chad. Inner Cribbo trading. Yeah, let's see.
Bro, I don't even know how if these trades play out for you.
What is happening here, Keeks? I shouldn't win this trade, bro. I promise I shouldn't.
Like, I'm even saying, like, to the guys, we managed the cracker well there. But I'm watching this, I'm just like, what is even happening right now?
Oh, let's see. Let's just see what's on the high ticker and the low ticker for the day.
Milan, I don't know how you figured it out. Of course, Chris is trading a demo account. I mean, we don't actually want to make money here. We just take these trades and show it for fun and yes.
Hey, they caught me, Keeks. It's a demo.
They got you, bro. They figured it out.
Sorry, Chad. It's a demo. I sit at night on the charts to trade a demo account to take screenshots for you guys.
Milan, you know the thing is though, that
No man, Milan
you just got to figure out the secret is figuring out how to withdraw from the demos. That's it.
Milan. No man, Milan has been in the chat. I think he's joking.
Toko, hello Chad, what's up?
Toko Lani.
Cribbo, I must have stepped away, but what was the reason behind changing your gold sells below the average daily range?
You're talking about yesterday. Remember yesterday I told you guys, let me just see if he's talking about yesterday.
60 pulled out at the EQ. What's on the EQ? Is US still on the EQ? Damn, it is.
Are you talking about yesterday, my brother? Today? No, I didn't sell gold. I still told you guys I'm looking to buy it. Go watch this morning stream. I said that's the only way I can get involved is for a little bit of a pullback play.
Now we got Kiga Ramba and Kiga Lazy.
No, man, I think Milan was joking.
Oh, yeah, Milan's been here before.
Yeah, no, but it's demo, Chad. It's demo. That's why I don't post the lot sizes in the money because it's demo. It's demo, Keegs. It's demo. Unfortunately. Now I'm gonna go cry in the shower again tonight.
Bro, I hate to be that person, but USD did just test the EQ.
What EQ?
The EQ's right there, bro.
We're gonna bust that EQ's nut now, my bruv.
You're gonna need to get above that, bro.
Look at this thing busting the EQ's nut now. Quick.
What? Keeg say consequent enroachment.
Encroachment.
Oh, there's a C there.
Enroachment.
I don't even see the C, bro. What's consequent encroachment? What is that?
Yo, we gotta ask Plamena.
Plamena. You say the name 3 times and she shall appear.
Plamena.
And just like that, your stop loss has been hit. I'm off. Need to go fetch my girlfriend. We'll pop the heater past the office. Chris, what EQ?
I can't see EQ. I just know we're going through EQs, bro. The bulls are ready. But Keegs, what he's talking about is we've got a fair value gap here. And the 50% of this fair value gap is the consequent encroachment. So if you follow the order flow here, the higher time frame order flow is telling you to actually short here. But we are busy with the inverse fair value gap.
You could have just said easier and said the EQ is telling you to short.
The EQ is telling me too long because we are going through the EQ. Bro. Kry bokkoers elke keer wat hy skoot.
Quote me butts.
Hey. That gigs. I don't know anymore. I don't know anymore.
Chris's next tattoo is a phoenix.
The story of the phoenix.
I've seen it all now.
Oh, geeks.
Bro, I hate to be that guy, but you have to lose one of these. You cannot win gold and USD.
No, I think gold's break even. I think gold is break even. Let's check. Am I still in?
Damn, you had a break even. He's honestly not gonna lose, Jack.
And I'm still in gold. Gold is still running, bro. Oh, Kigo.
Bro, is that all accounts in the blues now then?
Yeah, but almost. The Phoenix. The Phoenix.
I've seen it all now, Chad. I must have done Kings of
It's almost like an eagle.
The man, the drawdown, the comeback. Chris, you eating other charts on bread today, bro. Congrats. I feel mighty sorry for the new people that come on the stream and don't catch the sarcasm. Extreme stop loss hit for them. 21 savages. The power of emojis. Oh. Nah, bro. I don't even know how you...
Wait, I'm waiting for the Phoenix sound. But Keeks, what I've seen to work is every time I try to lose a trade. What is this? Was I playing? Oh, wait. Why do I want to play it like that? Wait, give me a second.
We have a whole sound system and you just try to play it through the mic.
Bro, this is when you trade demo and you're about to go break even.
It's fine, Chad. We got it. We got a song here for Chris though.
What's that?
We got a song for my boy here, Chad.
And the Phoenix keeps rising.
That thing has to be in profit. Oh. So I'll tell you now, this is gonna be Chris's new song.
Kigo!
Right.
I don't know.
Nobody fly like this, no. Like a bow wanting more. Don't work like this before. I kick in every door. Coming correct so the
Chad, I don't even know.
when me want go, I explore. Feel the vibes right to my core. Yeah, you know I gotta live it up. Every day I'm betting on myself. Close to tearing up. Every way I'm bettering myself. I gotta step
Chris is a market maker, must be.
I gotta step it up. When the rise to the top gets lonely and everything moving slowly, man, I know my life ain't regular. Don't know if I settle down when everyone want control me, but I direct my own movie. Yeah, I know my
When Chris gets home tonight, it's gonna be wife put the kids to bed.
So I'm feeling untouchable.
shine. What you do with your time is gonna make or break your life. When the rise to the top gets lonely and everything moving slowly, yeah, I know my life ain't regular.
But Kigo, Dane called it. Bro, I loved it. The one, I think it was the one morning, and we entered a trade as well. And Dane is like, bruv, what are these sketchy trades? And it's like, somehow you always manage to get out of these profitable. It's like, I don't know, bro. It's like, it doesn't make any sense. I'm supposed to sell. Chris is buying. I don't like the buys. Look later, it's like, what? That thing is buying.
Here we go, Chad. This shit ain't regular.
And I'm still in the gold. The gold is still alive.
Is it actually still alive though?
Yeah, it's still barely hanging on there. Let me just get my exact. Okay, wait, it looks like. So my exact entry is 33.64.81. 33.64. Yeah, okay, so it's literally there. Yeah. Let's maybe just delete this. Okay, but bro, here's the thing. I cannot celebrate as of yet. There is still a little bit of water that needs to go through the ocean here. We are not out of the woods as of yet. There's that 200 EMA.
I don't even have words anymore, Chad. Chad, if you are new here, you are watching the 5-1 method live in action.
Bro, I'm definitely not going break even yet. Sitting through drawdown for literally 2 hours
Sure.
to close that break even yet. Absolutely not. Like I said, the bias for me is bullish today. Bias is bullish. Bulelu.
Why is Chris looking stressed and Keeg smiling? Nah, bro, I'm out my stuff already. Chris is, I don't know, having the 2 biggest trade comebacks of the year in the last 2 days.
Did we face drawdown yesterday as well?
No, he just caught on shit, bro, and somehow still came out top.
No, man. When was it? With
Yesterday when
gold?
you did your buy and sell.
No, man. That was strategic. When I fried your CPU and GPU. Yo, I fried Keegan's CPU in real time. Yeah, it's like zzz, blue screen. Reset.
Sure. My boy was going through the most there.
Chad, all I'm saying is, Keegs, if something goes on discount, are you not buying it? That's all I'm saying, Chad.
Chad, listen to this bad man.
Chad, that's all I'm saying. If something's going on discount, why are you not buying it? That's all I'm saying.
Maybe it's a cuck discount.
That's all I'm saying, Chad. And remember, everyone buys something to sell it at one stage. So why not sell it at premium? Supply and demand, baby. Supply and demand.
Bro, if gold turns around as well for you, the fact that you're still alive,
Bro, I'm not. I wouldn't even be sad if this thing turns around and it's my stop. I honestly won't even be sad.
At what point are you going break even?
No, I'm not going break even. I'm just going for a TP. Oh. I said Paul. No. So you guys believed in me, beautiful. Will Chris lose this trade? Thank you for the 72% of you. Absolute ledge if bro survives this. Keeks, did you know that guys have been clipping our streams, but I don't know how to use it. Have you seen it?
No. Who's clipping our stream?
No, it's like, I don't really know how that clipping works, but I just want to show you here quickly. I think if the chat can help us, if you go on your phone, if you go on our YouTube, check here, and you go view channel, and you go there, where did I see the clips?
It's a Twitch thing.
No, we've got it on YouTube, bro.
No, the guys are saying it's a Twitch thing.
Oh, yeah. So if you go...
My son's hair transplant is $30K and I'm up $850. Should I close?
You should first find God.
30K rand.
Keeks, where did I see the clips, bro?
Well, I mean, you technically already more than half, 50% there, so I'd say that's a good day. The fact you were starting this today.
Chad, who of you guys have clipped, is it under YouTube Studio? Content, Bro, how crazy is that? No, I can't see it. The other day I saw some of you, there's one specific guy that's been clipping all of our videos. Because I can see his username. This is crazy that I can't find it.
Where did you see this?
Dude, I swear to you, I was watching, I was viewing our channel, and there was a section here, check your Kigo, you know where we've got videos, playlists, all the rest, there was a section that said clips. Let's check here quickly.
Oh, there, I've got it.
Why don't I have it? You see it, check how many clips there are. Now what do you do with those clips?
But it just says contains video clips.
Where? Where did you find it?
So I went to the end there. It was clips. I clicked on it, and now it's video contains clips.
Yeah, but that's clipped by someone. Where did you go to
Sure.
videos?
No, bro. You gotta go to YouTube Studio.
No, but I think this was on the app where I saw it.
No, this is on the app. But it's on YouTube Studio.
I know, but I'm talking the actual YouTube app.
Okay, hold on. Let me then go then.
Oh, here's it. Check your geeks. If you go down, your clips. Look how many clips have the Oaks created there for us.
I don't think those are clips, bro.
I swear to you, it's clips. Literally there. This was clipped by Inzinye Izinja.
What?
Check there. So it's like 6 seconds, 10 perps.
Wait. Hold on. Let's.
Go to your YouTube app.
I'm going there now. I just need to log into R1. Okay.
So what do you do with these clips? This is the thing.
Wait, where am I going?
I'll show you.
Your clips.
Yeah. Bro, there's like a
Yeah,
list.
clipped by Rico 6 hours ago.
Yeah, there's like, so I don't know what to do. I don't know where these clips live. What do we do next? How to calculate my lot size. Now, what do we do next? How to calculate my lot size. Because I've seen some of the guys monetize clipping for them. How does that work? Can somebody explain to us how that works?
I feel these guys just clipped the same thing.
You check there. So you'll see some of them have views because some of the guys posted to their channel.
Hey.
So, Chad, how does it work if you're a clipper? Because some of the guys said if you get X amount of views, daily flip, US 30, will she flip into our stop? Gold currently
Damn,
running.
bro. That was an old one. Yeah, we was at the old office. Sure, we look young, bro.
How did we get so old, my bruv? Is that US 30 sells?
Nah, gold bars. This one was clipped by Dylan.
Bro, you look like a kid, yeah. Can't make the water drink.
I always say to you people, you can lead a horse to water, but I can't make the water drink.
I can't.
Hold on, wait.
What is this?
What if I just go share clip?
Bro, how did we get so old in a year?
Bro, we are.
Is that what
aging.
trading? Is that what trading does to you? I felt like we aged 15 years in 1 year.
This is very. You can't download it or anything. So what the hell do you do?
Sometimes people make clips of certain or stuff. From old office to machine gun killing. Our bad is failing hard. Okay, let's look at SA40. SA40, Chad, is currently filling that gap we had here. Is the gap filled? The gap is full, Chad. That was a nice little gap full there. Overall, SA40 is in a massive bull run, all-time highs, absolutely cruising here. Would I sell into this? Not yet. Not yet. No. US 30 is currently...
Bro, you look younger than me here.
Where was that? Let me see. Here's my thing, Chad. This industry does not instill confidence. Dude, how do we age so much? I don't know, bro. There's something we gotta de-stress or something.
You just look younger than
Bro, that was like a year or two ago. How did we age 15 years in 1 year?
I don't know. We need to go through that. We need to figure out how we can get those.
I'm struggling with my daily bias. Can you show me? My brother, I'm going to ask you to go check out the Discord. Please go and check out the Discord. Within the Discord, under the education section, we've got an entire playbook for you, my brother. There's an entire playbook, and then you use these formations for the buy setups and the sell setups on your daily time frame, and that is how you base your buys for the day. So if your daily looks something like that, then you are looking for sell buys, and vice versa. Vice versa.
Vice versa. Bro.
I did that smoothie. That smoothie rocked me today, wasn't it?
How is gold still going?
Yes, it is. But I'm not doing that trick today, the Asia Low trick.
You guys have a group that gets together in GQ. What do you mean by a group?
Not yet, but we are going to have a group.
Chris wanted to start a running club. I don't know about
Yes, he can lie, this man, Chad. He's lying through his teeth here. I never wanted to start a running club. But we are going to get a group together.
We have a little touchies club at the moment. We're going to start. Just some traders for loneliness. Well, I mean, that's what the streams are for. But we are going to be doing stuff. There will be seminars and get-togethers, and we already are going to be planning something big for the end of the year for the PE family. So either you got to be in PE to attend, or
Broncos happening on Monday, Griffin. Broncos starts on Monday. Bro, I will close any running club I own. I will close those running clubs. Those running clubs will be closed. FSCA, it's a pleasure, my brother. Danko Chris.
Apparently Chris used Tinder to find mates to get a 4-ball together. Hashtag rent a mate.
I usually go play golf on Mondays, Brian. I just fall in. I'm like, other guys, is there not a 2-ball or a 3-ball I can just fall in with? Did I ever tell you the story about Bull Tittle? Bro, no, man. Have you heard the story of Bull Tittle? Have you heard it?
Tell me the story, bro.
Bro, I'm on a phone JP now as well, and he's going to know immediately. So, back in the day, we played a lot of golf, and Monday old school. They called it old school. Mm-hmm. So Monday, all the retired guys, it's like a pitch and play. You just go there, they put you in a random 4-ball, and you play. And me and Japes get them and play with these 2 old buddies. And the one guy's name is Bill, short guy. Yes, I rate Bill must be deep in his 70s, almost 80s. And playing humid links, and it's like a little bit of rain, and I'm busy setting up my putt. What hole was it? 1, 2, 3, 4th hole. And a little bit of a drizzle there, and busy lining up my putt. And as I'm standing here, Bill is maybe standing like 2 meters from me. And there's obviously a little bit of a drizzle. Does this man not? He's got a shorty on, like short golf. Pulls up his pants on the one side, lets it hang, pees on the green. Like, I know it's raining a bit. And I'm literally like checking my putt, and I just check Bill there ripping it, bro. And after the putt, I'm like, hey, my brother, you see Bill? He's like, yo, that man's super peeing there next to your putt. I'm like, yo, from now on, we call him Bill. Every time that is forever ingrained in my mind. Boltrel, while I'm busy lining up a putt, man, literally pees on the green. It's not even a heavy rain, it's like a drizzle. And I'm like, yes, dude, he's old bullies. He's too lazy to walk. Pees on the green. Old little. Hey,
Jade, you know the guys who rock up later and they rock up and go, is anyone in gold?
who said that?
So you've missed this whole stream yet today.
Yeah, you're right. Bulls will never be the same again. And I've seen him multiple times there at the golf course, and I'm like, Bull. And little does he know, he's scarred me for life. He's, are we in gold, Kigo?
FSCA's got a question for you, brother.
Who?
FSCA.
Oh, the FSCA. Chris, why in your trading style don't you use trading stop? Chow those break evens down. No, bro, I don't get break evens. I mostly just get wins, bro. So the break even days are gone.
Joburg's too rough when he comes.
No, just go for the wins. I leave the break evens for someone else. Shame, bro. The aura must be, dude. But the aura, just be honest with us. You are working for the FCA. You can just don't be shy about it.
Twice.
Yeah. Don't be shy. We love the FSCA, but just be honest with us. How can we lose when our stop loss is non-existent? You cannot lose. That's the thing. A loss is only a loss once realized. Otherwise, it's just an investment, Keeks.
Hey, there we go.
There we go. If you really think about it, a trade without a stop loss in drawdown is just an investment. Almost like my local mining equity portfolio. That thing is still down 40%. I cry at night a little bit about that one. Yo, I got that thesis wrong. I actually need to go and study what I was doing there. That needs to be studied. Chris, why did you buy all of the South African top mining stocks? No, because I know gold is in a super strong bullish run. Chris, did you consider our volatile labor market and labor unions? Absolutely not. Yeah, he does work for the FCA. 100%. The questions he asks is like something out of the RE5 and RE1 exam. That's how I knew he was working for the FCA. He's an undercover agent. That's why you won't see him clip anything because we are still staying compliant. He's waiting for us to forget. I work for the SPCA. Hey, that's an honorable thing there. Hey, Kigo. Anything you looking at, my bro?
We're at our 20. 20 is 20.
20 is 20.
And that was it, bro. It's one of those sad things, but we move.
$304. $225. I'm gonna go 225 gigs. I'm not gonna be greedy here. 225 on this bad boy.
We have some gunshots there, bro.
Just how's the daily looking? Daily. Yeah, Chad, we could literally close here just like this. We are now at a very critical area, and we are also at the 200 EMA, as you can see there. So if we are going to continue high, we're going to need to see price break through this level. All right, so I'm not gonna be silly here and just hope price goes up. I will be monitoring this level, and I want to see price get back above it. And then I think once we're above this price, price is just gonna and then gold is just cruising nicely. Gold, same thing. I'll be monitoring this area right there. That is your 200 EMA and your Asia lows. And if we reject there, I'll just close out and lock in for 80 or 100. Fubs, I'm honestly not looking at NAS today. For that simple reason, we took the previous daily high. It is still overall super bullish. I'm not touching NAS today. So if you want to get involved with NAS, please consult with your financial advisor. But for me personally, I consulted with myself and I'm not touching it. So anyone trading NAS today, I respect you. I salute you. You are an honorable member of the trading community. Let's do a Brian in-person live scalping comp during when I get some money. No, we're not doing that. Sorry, my brother. I buy at my own house and I've got a live scalping comp here every day with Kigo. Chris, you see what I was watching.
I don't know what, like, you like really want to do something in person. Heck.
Thanks to G's. Hey, Fruit Loops, it's a pleasure, my brother. Nah, not even, just kidding. But you see what the FSCA is doing now? They're trying to soften us up, Keeks. Like, make you feel comfortable. Nah, man, I don't know about the advice thing.
Guys think we sleep in there.
I must actually find out if I must pick up my son. Let me actually phone that quickly. Keeks, I didn't ask for these blues. These blues just came onto my screen. That's all I'm saying. I've never asked for any of these blues. Val jy verdaan op? Wow, okay. Okay, my skirt. Okay. Lift jou waar. Wanna call it, Keeks?
Bro, I'm done. So when you ready, my brother.
Chris Market Cat. Just past my first phase. Any advice on what to do next or to look out for? Sam Jam, what I would say is if you're on your way home, just watch out for taxis. Very, very dangerous, especially in peak traffic. And what to do next? I would say take a good evening, go take a long bath, relax, spoil your wife a little bit, make food. But yeah, that is, I think Keeks will tell you the same. Hey Keeks, kick your feet back and rest a little bit.
Take it easy. Greatness doesn't happen over one night, guys.
Do I just leave the account alone now? I passed phase 2 today. Cameron, that is potentially a very good idea to just leave the account alone, especially after you've passed phase 2 and might come back to kick you in the shin. But if you've passed it and you've got your 5 minimum trading days, you will receive an email request for you to do a risk interview, and then after that a live account will be issued to you. So for now, just leave the account alone.
Chad, also, I don't know if Chris is actually getting ready to wrap things up there, but we are 14 away from 19k.
So what are we saying? If you haven't subscribed, do so now.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and turn that notification bell on, baby, so you do not miss to see how many more lives this cat has before it gets sliced.
What do you rate if I hit this TP and this? Then Brian is going to be like luckiest trader alive.
100%. 100%.
Right. In regards to that, I saw it. Alright, okay. Nah, delete YouTube. Kicks, remember the thing with gold is it's got legs.
No, it does. Gold, I actually could see playing out. But the US study in that, I'm like...
Oh, a part of me is like, just close this. Just put the chat out of their misery. And on the other side, I'm like, I just want to leave it. Oh, we still need to get through the daily flip. Hey, man, there's still a lot that needs to happen here. But they say fate like a mustard seed, Kigo. Okay, let me not... Yo, I'm actually getting greedy here these days. Let's make it 22. Let's be realistic here. Let's stop this madness. 22. Okay. But I just closed. Keeks almost hold. Right. Hold on for the Chris. What happened to Miles missing that daily dose of 10 pips? None of Miles. What happened to Miles Keeks?
I think he moved to Monaco or something, bro.
Yeah. Alrighty, Keeks.
We're done. You're walking away. You're washing your hands of this.
I'm still in my trade. But I'm still in my trade.
Oh, then there we go, Chad. You've heard it from the man. He's there. He's leaving it. He's walking away. He gave his final bet. It's on the table. I'm sure we're going to see on socials what happens after this. But there's not much more, Chad. I think we can close it up there. This is going to be a very, very interesting one. I think I'm going to pay very close attention to the socials later to see what happens here. The thing for me is that I know gold is the one I do like, and you are break even there, so that's fine. But US30, there's still risk on the table, so we're going to have to see what happens there. But Cribbo, thanks for always joining, my brother. Chad, we're going to see you guys same place, same time tomorrow, as always. Again, hit that subscribe button. We are so close to 19K. Hit the notification bell because you want to see if this cat landed on his feet. And still did a 360 while doing it. But we're going to see.
Did you read there? I woke up this AM and Plamena said, why did Chris tag me in his post? Haha. I'm like, he's just rubbing it in your ICT. Yo, Ryan playing with fire there.
There we go. But Chad, we're going to see you guys same place, same time tomorrow. As always, baby, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Cheers.